Hello, respected teachers and fellow researchers. Today, I, Dr. Rahul Adnaik, here to present the research topic on memory enhancing effects of Cytulus vulgaris seed oil in mice correlation with the antioxidant protection and acetylcholinesterase inhibition. Alzheimer's disease is one of the major memory related disorders. The current data suggests that about 37 million people worldwide will be affected by this kind of disorders. So this Alzheimer's disease is the major contributing factor is the oxidative stress, which may occur due to the age-related cognitive decline, as well as due to the age-related cognitive decline, the acetylcholinergic pathway, it gets affected, resulting in the memory loss in Alzheimer's patient. Age-related memory deficit and poor antioxidant defense can be reversed by foods enriched with the antioxidants. So with this literature, we concluded that higher intake and the blood levels of especially omega-3 fatty acids might be helped to reduce the age-related cognitive decline in Alzheimer's patient. So this data suggested that when we use the antioxidant supplements, it might be beneficial in preserving the brain functions in age-related decline. So for this, we use the plant Cytulus vulgaris, which exhibited a stronger in vitro antioxidant activity, and we might be helpful in reducing the age-related cognitive decline in Alzheimer's patient. For this, we selected the Cytulus vulgaris plants, and they were subjected to the oxalate extraction, from where we get the seed oil, which was subjected to the further phytochemical investigation and which were confirmed by the thin layer chromatographic techniques. From the advanced technique, we detected the presence of the fatty acid linoleic acid and linoleic acid by GCMS. Further, the seed oil was subjected to the pharmacological screening for memory enhancing activity by using the behavioral models, that is elevated plasmas and passive shock avoidance, and the biochemical estimations were performed for determination of brain acetylcholinesterase activity and brain antioxidant activity. The experimental protocol included a study of 9 days, wherein first 8 days the animals were dosed with the different oils, and the training session was carried out on 8 day, and on 9 day the retention of memory was recorded in on elevated plus maze, where transfer latency recorded, and in case of passive shock avoidance, tabloid latency was recorded. Further studies were carried out for biochemical estimation, wherein brain acetylcholinesterase activity and antioxidant activity were measured as per the standard literature. Further, the histopathological examinations were performed to confirm the oxidative stress and the improvement in the neuronal cells. Another important model was performed, wherein we detected whether the regeneration of neurons occurs in case of Alzheimer's patient or not, with the help of the Cytulus vulgaris seed oil treatment. So finally, the results concluded that in case of the elevated plus maze, we can see that the red bars, which indicate the decrease in the transfer latency, which indicates the improvement in memory, and in case of passive shock avoidance, the red bar, that is the increased step down latency, shows improvement in the memory in memory deficit animals which were treated with the Cytulus vulgaris seed oil. In case of the brain acetylcholinesterase activity, so we can say that see that it improved the brain acetylcholinesterase activity and increased the levels of acetylcholine in the brain, as well as the Cytulus vulgaris oil, it protected the brain from the oxidative stress, as we can see in the brain antioxidant activity. Further, the histopathological examination showed that there occurs regeneration of the cells in the memory affected rats, and which were finally treated with the Cytulus vulgaris seed oil. The neurogenesis model indicated that is in case of C2 and D2 pictures, we can see that there occurs improvement in the branchings, as well as in the improvement in the neurogenesis that has been occurred when the animals were treated with the Cytulus vulgaris seed oil. So from this overall study, we can conclude that the short-term supplementation of seed oil from the Cytulus vulgaris, it might be helpful in improvement of the learning and memory in both healthy adult as well as aged mice, where the memory has been affected. So thus we can show or we can conclude that for the first time that Cytolus vulgaris seed oil is very much helpful in Alzheimer's patient, and the effect is more closely related to the antioxidant reinforcement and anticholinesterase activity due to the presence of the fatty acid which were detected. Thank you.